Halo, selamat datang di Musik Player Collection.
Terima kasih telah mengeklik video ini. Ada pada hari ini saya akan menampilkan seorang guru vokal dari New Zealand. Dan jarang-jarangnya guru vokal ini menangis saat mereaksi video Putri Ariani. Video ini video grand final, video final Putri Ariani. Dan guru vokal ini jarang banget untuk menangis ketika mereaksi video-video dari penyanyi-penyanyi atau pengcover atau siapapun itu. Tapi kali ini guru vokal ini sampai menangis sebanyak ini ya. Wow, ini berarti apa ya, video Putri Ariani ini memang sangat luar biasa banget, bisa sampai membuat guru vokal yang menurut saya ini susah menangis tapi bisa sampai menangis seperti ini ya. Dan saya sangat senang sekali pada guru vokal ini karena beliau sangat detail dalam menjelaskan atau menganalisa teknik-teknik vokal ya, karena memang guru vokal jadi tentunya beliau sudah sangat mumpuni teknik-teknik vokal, apa yang digunakan, apa dan bagaimana caranya. Beliau selalu menjelaskan sampai detail dan mudah untuk dipahami. Oke, seperti apa reaksinya? Mari kita langsung menuju ke videonya. Let's go.
I'm gonna stop it there. Oh my god, I'm getting all teary. Kia ora and welcome back. My name's Awish DB, your vocal coach for today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Putri Ariani with Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me in the AGT final.
Semangat ya.
It's finally here, and I was like, I must watch this today. So let's get straight to the video and see what she's up to with her vocal technique.
I can't lie, no more of your darkness. All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired, and time stands still before me. Close the door and left me blinded by the light.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop it there. Oh my god, I'm getting all teary.
Menangis lah.
I'm really diving into a lot about what it means to sing at the moment, and so this is really touching me because I really feel like she's just connecting so much with the lyric. And you could close your eyes and you could just imagine that the weight of the world that goes on at the start of the song. Beautiful little runs. They're not overly complicated. Lovely little bit of thick vocal fold there with a bit of breath coming into the sound. And then let me shine. I mean, that like lovely. That's a relatively difficult note to hit right on the passaggio, keeping in that thick vocal fold. I just want you to close your eyes and I want you to listen to this and just think about the beauty of the communication of this lyric. It's just so stunning. And again, that first little run was not perfect, but who cares? Because we're engaged with the song. Even from that first note, we can really feel it, and it does.
Yeah.
Not every note has to be perfect. Perfect singing doesn't make good singing. Okay.
I can't lie, no more of your darkness. All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired, and time stands still before me. Close the door and left me blinded by the light.
Oh, I just got to quickly grab a tissue. Oh, this is a big one. So you can hear and let me blind. She just added a little bit of vibrato there. Now, when we add vibrato to the end of a phrase or a note, what we're doing is we're bringing attention to the voice, and we're also releasing a little bit of the tension. So when she's going into the thick vocal fold, let me blind, and then you've got to tilt the larynx a little bit, blind, in order to let that vibrato come in. Now, if vibrato is something that you're looking to work on, then let me know down in the comments, because I'm just thinking about making a vibrato video for you all. But let me know, just yell at me, vibrato. You've got this really lovely play going on between the thick vocal fold and this breathy sound. And when she's going, close the door, you can really see that perfect mouth shape going on there. Again, when we're going further up in the range with a thicker vocal fold, we want to open up that mouth a little bit, and it's going to help us to get onto those notes.
Okay.
Who is calling me? Sorry, cold caller. Let's just enjoy this.
Blinded by the light. Don't let the sun go down on me, yeah. Don't let the sun. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free.
Forward, lovely.
By losing everything, it's like the sun going down, sun going down, sun going down. I know
I know you're going to kill me for doing that. Oh, you can really get to me with a choir. I'm loving the way that she didn't go for this, like, you know, when you listen to a lot of Elton John, he uses a lot of back vowels. Let the sun going down. He sort of like darkens the sound. And I love that she didn't necessarily try and over darken the sound. What I love about Putri's performances is she's working with her voice. She's working with what her voice can do. Because you can see that, I mean, although I get it, she has to, you know, she can't see the microphone, so she needs to stay in front of the microphone. But you can really see the economy of her movement that's going on. These lovely short, sharp, high breaths are helping her to keep that thick vocal fold further up in the range.
by losing everything.
Watch this one.
It's like the sun going down, sun going down, sun going down. I know.
Did you see that? The sun going down, the sun going down. You know, she's got these like lovely little short, sharp, high breaths. Now that is so important when we're singing higher up in the range. Now this is something that I'm talking a lot about in my masterclass for singing without strain. So do check out the links in the description below for how you can sign up for the free masterclass on singing with less strain. Because I promise you, when you build up more pressure here inside the chest cavity or subglottic pressure underneath the vocal folds, you will find that thicker vocal fold, even your beltier sound, mixed voice, anything in the upper register, much, much easier to sing. Let's go back because we've just interrupted that lovely.
I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. By losing everything, it's like the sun going down on me. Thank you.
Putri Ariani! Simon, your golden buzzer!
I'm not gonna watch that. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm just gonna cry. They're gonna start with the
Okay.
music. Oh,
Menangis lah.
you get me every single time. Oh goodness me! Get back to the voice. Get back to the singing, Zoe. But I don't think that you can actually separate singing and emotions. And I don't think that we should, because I think that the emotional place that we go to when we're singing really, that really hit me. I think that the emotions that we feel and that we're trying to portray in our singing, or that we're trying to portray in our lyric, will help us to access the right voice quality that we're trying to achieve. And I think trying to think about singing completely technically is great in order to understand what's going on, but the emotion can help us to get there as well. Now, I'm not saying that I think that you should always go to like an emotional wreckage place, and start crying in every lesson. That's not the point. We still want to be able to produce those sounds without the emotion, but I want you to add in the emotion as soon as possible, because I think that that emotion is going to help you even more. Oh my goodness me, that was a beautiful performance, not oversung. I love it. It was very, very... it was well built, and it definitely was rather exciting for an AGT final, because usually you'd expect more fireworks, but I love that she didn't do that, because I just think that the vocal fireworks are sometimes ruining the artistry of the song, and I feel like sometimes AGT is just about like ticking the boxes of what makes a good singer, and I love that Putri didn't do that. Okay, yeah, she had the big notes in there, but she didn't go like screaming right at the top of the range, and I just love it. Well done, well done. I'd love to see what happens. Oh my goodness me, I'm going to be watching with bated breath. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite live Putri performance is, because I'd love to have a look at her more on the channel. She's a perfect example of belt technique. Well done, Putri. I wish you all the best, and I will see you all later on. Kaki te ano. Happy singing.
Oke sobat YouTube, seperti itu ya. Jules TV ini adalah guru vokal yang udah mumpuni banget ya. Sekelas Jules TV ini bisa sampai menangis, karena memang jarang-jarang menangis ya. Saya sudah sering menampilkan di channel saya ini. Saya tidak pernah melihat Jules TV ini sampai menangis seperti ini. Ketika sampai menangis berarti hatinya sudah terkena dengan suara Putri Ariani ya. Yang seperti saya pernah bilang ya, Putri Ariani memang sangat-sangat menjiwai setiap membawakan lagunya. Jadi ketika kita bisa mendalami arti sebuah lagu itu, mengetahui benar-benar apa sih isi lirik itu, ketika kita bernyanyi itu akan dapat feel-nya, akan dapat semuanya, penjiwaannya, dengan pesannya pun akan tersampaikan, hingga akhirnya siapapun orang yang mendengarkan ikut merasakan yang wow, begitu dalamnya lirik lagunya, atau suara ketulusannya. Maksud saya suara ketulusannya itu suara yang memang benar-benar natural, tanpa dibuat-buat, kebanyakan improv atau apapun itulah, cengkok yang menjadi terlalu lebay. Dan ketika Putri Ariani bernyanyi ini, dia selalu menyanyikan dengan natural ya, tanpa dibuat-buat sedemikian rupa. Dia natural seperti itu, dengan gaya naturalnya, tapi itulah yang membuat semua orang menyukai, karena seperti mendengarkan Putri itu seperti sedang membaca puisi ya, puisi yang memang bisa disampaikannya dengan mudah, maksud saya, puisi yang memang bisa diterima di pendengaran kita sangat-sangat mudah ya. Tapi banyak orang yang memang ketika bernyanyi tanpa ada rasa, kita pun nggak pernah tahu, kadang nggak bisa tahu apa sih dari maksud si lirik ini. Tapi Putri Ariani di sini benar-benar bisa menyampaikan bahwa ini liriknya seperti ini dan kisahnya seperti ini, dan kita bisa ikut merasakan itu pada intinya. Ya, sobat itu bisa menilai sendiri ya bagaimana cara Putri Ariani bernyanyi ya, bagaimana tekniknya. Semuanya sudah banyak banget yang mengupas tuntas tentang teknik inilah, teknik itulah, semuanya sudah mengakui bahwa Putri adalah apa sih ya, malaikat kecil atau berlian kecil yang sangat-sangat berharga. Banyak banget apa ya, anugerahnya ya pada intinya, anugerah yang diberikan kepada Putri Ariani yang memang latar belakangnya, keterbatasannya, tidak bisa melihat ya, tidak bisa melihat dunia, tapi diberikan anugerah yang sungguh-sungguh luar biasa hingga sekarang dunia melototi Putri Ariani ya. Wow, ini sudah tercapai sebenarnya cita-cita Putri, tidak menjadi juara pun Putri sudah tercapai menurut saya ya. Oke, sehat terus Putri Ariani, semoga semua mimpimu tercapai, dan kita akan selalu mengingat suara Putri Ariani. Meskipun saya tidak melihat, tapi saya bisa merasakan bahwa itu Putri Ariani ya. Dan Putri Ariani memang mempunyai suara yang khas. Ketika menurut saya suaranya sangat khas, dan meskipun saya tidak melihat siapa yang menyanyi, tapi saya bisa merasakan, oh ini Putri Ariani, karena memang khas banget ya. Ada seperti suara jeritan atau rintihan atau tangisan di dalam setiap lagu yang dia bawakan ya, seperti itu menurut saya. Menurut sobat YouTube seperti apa, silahkan berkomentar ya di kolom komentar. Oke, cukup sekian. Bagi sobat YouTube yang mau melihat video resminya dari Zeus TV guru vokal ini, silahkan, nanti saya akan tautkan linknya di dalam kolom deskripsi ya. Bagi sobat YouTube yang mau melihat video resminya dari Amerika Got Talent atau di channel Putri Ariani, silahkan, nanti saya juga akan menautkan linknya. Maaf jika ada kata-kata yang salah atau kurang berkenan, saya minta maaf sebesar-besarnya. Sampai jumpa kita di video berikutnya. Bye.